This is VU3 Tango Bravo Uniform. Going to explain about logging. In ham radio, logging of each contact is very important. All the time we used to have it in paper with us only, and QSL cards used to send over post office or any QSL bureau like that. In this new era, when IT and computer internet connectivity is everywhere, logging is also moved to online. It's not important to log each QSO what we make. Let it be local DX or any QSO. So this video I'm explaining about LOG4OM. So where we will get it? LOG4OM is a website. It's Lima Oscar Golf number 4 Oscar Mike.com/download. There are two versions anytime when you log into this. Both are stable release. One we need to install. It's only Windows based software. There is no copy for Linux in this. Another option is portable version. I prefer portable version because it all stays in specific one folder. All the installation files will be in one folder. It won't be spreading or mixing it up with the operating system. Another advantage is in case if you want to move the system to some other system, we just need to take that particular folder with the database file where we are saving the QSO. In case if that file is in a different folder, better to save it in the same folder, then we can move it. Just copy the folder and take it to a laptop or another laptop, carry it, use it anywhere you want. Maybe there is a minor difference in the folder location required in case if we are storing it like that. Otherwise, store it in the C drive or a D drive directly. Then path, we no need to change the path. So once we downloaded the file, it will be a zip file that we will unzip or extract. After extracting, we'll get the portable folder. Inside the portable folder, we have a exe L4. Here it is L4ONG. That will double click. It will ask a protection warning. We'll say that run anyway. It will come only once. Then the program will start loading for the first time. It will show that welcome screen. Close the screen. Then first configuration window will come. So when we are configuring, we need to give our call sign and our region. If you don't know our IARU region, go to Google. IARU region for India. IARU region for India. So we'll get that ITU3 here. We can select the 3. Station country I can select here. If we are in India, India. And grid, our grid we will enter here. And operator call sign, owner call sign is same, so we don't need to fill it. Here we need to fill the details. Address, if you want to fill full address, you can fill it. Otherwise, whatever is required. And try to save this, save and apply. Then it will show any error if it is there. Otherwise, it will load the application. And we need to click allow so that it is running for the first time. So it will get updates from internet for the call sign and other details. And again, first time configuration, this window will come for creating a database. So we need to create a database in case if you are using it for the first time. If you have existing database already copied from other system, you can click open. So here this is for new installation. So I'm clicking new and I'm going inside the portable and I'm creating here my new database. I'm writing it as VU3TB log4OM DB so that the name will give us what it is. This database is created. Just click test once again. Connection successful. So this database is going to store our log details. So first configuration is the database. Next is we need to configure our external services. First thing is we are not automatically uploading QSO to QRZ because QRZ only subscribed users can upload. But still you can give the API key and I'll show you from where you can get the API key from log QRZ. Log into QRZ. go to your page logbook, go to the settings. Here you can see QRZ logbook API. By clicking the show button, you will be able to copy this API key. So this API key will copy and paste it here. Then second is club log. If you don't have a club log username password, you can create that and give the email address, password and call sign here. Another thing is HRD log. You can create here user and upload the code which is available from there, and you can click automatic upload. And automatic HRD log on air also you can click here, so that it will show HRD log our live status. And we can configure EQSL, ham QTH, LOTW. We need to be careful here. LOTW will also we need to configure username, password, and here we need to select the UQSL exe. First, for that you need to install that. Then go to that particular folder where it is installed. Trusted QSQL. This folder you go. Then we need to select tsql.exe, that full path, and a temporary path for it to use temporarily. Any path you can select and give a temporary ID there, and you may have this TQSL configured with your station ID. That ID you can select here, and here click no button, that so that when we are closing the log4OM, it will automatically upload the logs to LOTW. So when we can click for the option here, automatic upload on application close, and click no here. So that is about external services on that. And info provider configuration. This is also important when we are clicking a username. So we need to get the username details there. We need to configure username and password of qrz.com, so it is faster, easier. And select the primary source. Yeah, we can configure as a second also, hamqth or something, that is a secondary. In case the primary is not working, that time it will try to fetch the data information from secondary source. That's about info provider. That are the main configurations we need to do. And last important one is CAT interface. Which radio we are using, based on that we need to use it. Some radio is configured with OmniRig, that can be used with OmniRig, or we can use hamlib. Hamlib is most of the time stable. We can select our radio from this list, whatever radio you are having, and give the port USB cable you connected, baud rate, whatever is the baud rate of your radio, and other optional parameters not required. In case if you are running any network radio, then we can select network connected radio and the radio IP address and port. Most of the people will be using a normal radio like Yasu, ICOM, or Flex, Helicraft, Kenwood. So those radio we can select from this list and give the specific parameter, serial connected radio, and click this align button, save and apply this. This is the basic configuration we need to do. You can go back to the video starting to understand it again before configuring. So station configuration details. These are optional. Station information is important here. Database is important. External services is important. Info provider configuration is important. And CAT interfacing is important. After this all configuration, we will be able to get all that required parameters here. I will show you my configuration and my log. Now the radio is not connected. So whenever we are typing a call sign here, automatically the username will come, address will be here, and the mode will be fetched from the radio. Frequency also will get fetched from the radio. And whenever you are connecting this CAT, you can start and stop CAT in case if you want. And show CAT interface will show that interface, how the radio is connected. So these are available here. Mine is a net TCP connection, and this is the way it is getting connected, and clicking this will connect the radio if it is online. So this is about required setup of log4OM. I hope this video will be helpful for you. In case if there is any doubt or confusion, do comment for this video. I'll be able to help you. I'll try to help whatever way possible I can. Thank you very much. VU3TBU signing clear. 73. Bye bye.